Okay, next up we got a couple gold standard bricks for Rob. What's up, man? I'm gonna try a couple more of these. Just grab top box there, 71 and 90. 2012-13 gold standard basketball. And bang. Alright. There's a couple fatties in there, at least one or two. Alright, let's see what we got. We have Robert Parrish. Chief does have his hand up. $2.99. DeAndre Jordan, $2.99. Austin Day. Zadrunas Sagauskas. Channing Frye. Congratulations. XRCR. There we go. We'll look that up in a second. Then we have Mitch Richmond. Autograph 149. 149. DeMar DeRozan. Superscribe. Jumbo patch 1 of 5, Chris Anderson, Birdman. Those are hard to get, those jumbo patches. Oh, and a gold card, Stephen Curry. That one's 1 of 49. You got 1 of 5, 1 of 49. Stephen Curry, 14 karat gold. And numbered to 149, Scottie Pippen jersey. Okay. We have Gary Payton, $2.99. Gerald Wallace, $2.99. Ryan Anderson, $2.99. Sam Jones. Jeremy Lin, 18, just missed jersey number. Redemption first one is pick number 29. Your XRCH. Oh no, M, sorry. XRCM. What was the other one? XRCR and XRCM. You have Jeff Teague, autograph. Kevin Durant, jersey. What was that, number 2? Sorry. 149. This one's 149. Jersey. There's the Chief. Robert Parrish, a 149 auto. And a jersey of Alex English, 149. Let's see. XRCM is going to be Gustavo Ion. And XRCR is Jan Vesely. Okay, so Jan Vesely, Gustavo Ion autographs. That'll do it. Rob, I appreciate it as always, man, and I'll get these on the way. See you, bud.